Hello everyone. This question appears in Class 6 NCERT chapter of fraction. This is third question of its exercise 7.2. So the question says that express the following as improper fraction. So improper fraction का हमारे पास फॉर्मूला आ जाएगा is equal to whole number into denominator plus numerator. Upon denominator. So part A is 7:3/4. So हो जाएगा 4 into 7, 7 4s are 28 plus numerator means 3 upon 4. So हो जाएगा हमारे पास 31 upon 4. Part B is 5:6/7. So 5 7s are 35 plus 6 upon 7. 35 plus 6 हो जाएगा हमारे पास 41 upon 7. Part C is 2:5/6. So हो जाएगा 6 into 2 whole number into denominator. 6 2s are 12 plus numerator 5 upon denominator 6. So 12 plus 5 हो जाएगा 6. 12 plus 5 हो जाएगा 17 upon 6. Part D is 10:3/5. So whole number into denominator. 10 into 5 is equal to 50 plus numerator is equal to 3 upon denominator is equal to 5. So हो जाएगा 53 upon 5. Part E is 9:3/7. So whole number into denominator. 9 7s are 63 plus numerator 3 upon denominator 7. So इनका सम हो जाएगा 66 upon 7. And part F is equal to 8:4/9. So whole number into denominator 8 9s are 72 plus numerator 4 upon denominator 9. So the sum will be 76 upon 9. So that's our final answer. Thank you.